In this video, we'll show you how to fix cast device not working on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if your cast device isn't showing up or you cannot connect to your TV or another device, it's usually a network issue, missing features, or Windows settings blocking it. So we're gonna go through the main fixes to solve this. So first, we're gonna check your network. Your PC or your TV or cast device must be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. If your PC is on Ethernet and your TV is on Wi-Fi, that's usually fine, but they still need to be on the same router. If they're on different networks, casting won't work at all. Alright, now we're gonna make sure Windows actually has casting installed. Just click the Start menu and type in Optional Features. So this one, open it up, and here click on View Features, and then you're gonna type in Wireless Display. So if it's not installed, you're going to go ahead and install it, wait for it to finish. This feature is required for casting and screen mirroring. Now we're going to make sure your PC can see other devices. You're going to click on the Start menu again and then go to Settings. And then on the left side, click on Network and Internet and go to Advanced Network Settings. Here, scroll down and click on Advanced Sharing Settings. Here for private networks, you're going to enable network discovery and also file and printer sharing. So turn it on. And that's it. For public networks, you don't need to turn it on unless you're on trusted network or if casting still doesn't work after you've done all of the steps. Alright, now we're gonna make sure Windows isn't blocking it. Press Start and type in Windows Defender. So there's one, Windows Defender Firewall, open it up. On the left side, click Allow App or Feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And here, click on Change Settings and then look for Wireless Display. So there's one, make sure it's allowed on both private and public networks. So just check it. Next, we're going to update network drivers. So you're going to right click the Start menu and then you want to go to Device Manager. Here, expand network adapters and look for your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter. So it's going to be this one for me. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and update the driver if it's available. After you do all of that, you're going to restart your PC and your TV or cast device.